Hi guys, let me just show you guys a quick one on analysis. Let me use AVAX, using trading view. So, you can see this trade. I just want to talk about market structure, then later insight on liquidity and how I took my entries for this set. So, AVAX, you can see this. Okay, let me not call it. You can see the candlesticks. Well, first thing first is that you look where the market is going to. You see that the market is making a downtrend, up to this point where the market is consolidating up to this point. Okay, this up to this point. Then, if you take a closer look to the market, in this part now, we'll see that okay, the market is making a aggressive downtrend from here, But at a point, when the market reach this low, because this is the downtrend, the main downtrend up to this point here, which is the strongest low, up to this point, the strongest low. So when the market recovered up to this point, they now make a series of downtrend. All these things up to this point, a series of downtrend, downward, creating an internal liquidity. And it's an internal up down, internal up low, which is your high and the low, creating high low internally. Okay, now from this point now, market was driving down up to this point, which is another strongest. So why I call this point a strongest low is that because at this point now, the market break this structure here internally, break this high. The market broke this high. Which leads to what? A break of structure. Which leads to a break of structure. Are you getting me? Which leads to a break of structure at this point. BOX. Leads to a break of structure. At that point. Are you getting me? Which a break of structure at that point. Leads to a break of structure to the what? Upside. Leads to a break of structure to the upside. Now, the market is now creating a what? It's creating a what? A lower high, low high. That is you want to make an uptrend to the upside. But get the gist here. When this market is creating these highs, it's creating more liquidity. To spot liquidity, equal highs, you can get it through equal highs, trend lines, and market always what? Follow liquidity. That's where the money is. Liquidity, money. Markets respect liquidity. So that's what the market did. That's what the market is doing now. So now, why I took these two trades is that why I placed my orders at respective order block. In your eyes, you just see as if this one I just took this trade as this week here. No. In my next video, I will show you how to take your trade in an order block. I'm just using this 1 hour time frame to just analyze, but I will teach you how to take your trade in an order block. So now, if you look at this thing now, the markets have created liquidity up here, high liquidity, which the market is going to respect, with a tight stop loss, very tight stop loss. That's what's happening here. very tight of course. So now, and I create a buy and a sell. I created a buy and a sell because there is a lot of liquidity. There is a lot of liquidity in the market. A lot. There's a lot of liquidity. There's a lot of liquidity. There's a lot of liquidity. Liquidity. All here is liquidity. 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 So there's a lot of liquidity for the market to what? For the market to harvest on. So, hi guys, for the markets to what? To harvest on. For the market to harvest on. So now, I'm waiting patiently because I'm a smart money concept. I'm waiting patiently for the market to what? Touch this point with a tight stop loss. If the market did not do likewise, two ways. Start the market come down here with this other block set at this point again at 24.29 and what at this other point 27.03. So let's wait. In my next video I'll tell you guys what the market is doing, what happened, how the entry goes. So subscribe more to this channel, subscribe and get much insight on analysis, market structure, liquidity.